Welcome back. Today I am going to solve the two questions which is from GATE 2020 and GATE 2019. So the questions is, for the given circuit which of the following is the correct answer. यहाँ पर एक सर्किट दिया हुआ है जिसमें कि दो करंट सोर्स लगे हैं और एक इंडक्टर और एक कैपेसिटर है। तो ए बी सी डी ऑप्शंस में कौन सा ऑप्शन सही है जो रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है स्टेट स्पेस रिप्रेजेंटेशन को। सो नाउ देखते हैं सॉल्यूशन। In the given circuit as shown here there are two current source। ये पहला करंट सोर्स है और ये दूसरा करंट सोर्स है। So first we will transform this current source into voltage source. So in current source the current I1 and resistance is 2 ohm. So V equals to IR. So the voltage source will become I, which is I1, and resistance value is 2. So the voltage is 2 I1, and in this voltage source the resistance is 2 ohm. So this current source transform into the voltage source, same as we will transform this current source into voltage source. Current source transformation into voltage source. As shown in the figure, this is your voltage source which is converted into, this is your voltage source which is converted from current source, same as here, transformation of current source into voltage source. So now we will apply the KVL and KCL. So apply the KVL in loop 1. Let us suppose this is your loop 1. So in loop first, the voltage at here is 2I1 and voltage at here is V. So in this line the voltage drop in this resistance is 2I and voltage drop in this inductor is 0.5 di by dt, so that the voltage 2I minus the voltage V is here. So 2I1 minus V equals to twice of I plus 0.5 di by dt. So simply this is the KVL equation. Rearrange the value and divide by 0.5. So you will get the equation number first, which is di by dt equals to minus 2V minus 4I plus 4I1. Let us consider again. Apply the KCL at node A. Suppose that this is your node A. At this node the voltage is V. So according to KCL, all the outgoing current should be equals to 0. So here the current is minus I, here the current 0.25 dV by dt, and here the current, this voltage, that is V, minus this voltage divided by 1 ohm resistance. So simply minus I plus this current and plus this current equals to 0. So simply rearrange it. 0.25 dV by dt equals to I minus V minus I2 I1, or 0.25 dV by dt equals to I minus V plus I2, or simply divided by 0.25, you will get the equation number 2, which is dV by dt equals to minus 4V plus 4I plus 4I2. So from equation number 2 and from equation number 1. So equation number 2 is this and equation number 1 is this. So simply you may write these equations in matrix format. So see here the matrix format. So first is your linear equation, dV by dt equals to minus 4V minus 4V plus 4I plus 4I and plus 4I2 plus 4I2. There is no I1 in equation number 2. Di by dt, which is minus 2V minus 2V minus 4I minus 4I. There is no I2, it means there is no I2 and 4I1. So this is your correct answer. So that the option A is correct. Now consider the second equation, which is from GATE 2019. Let us the state space representation of an LTI system is given by this equation, and output equation is given by this equation, where A, B, C are the matrices and D is a scalar, UT is the your input, the system, YT is the output. Let B is equals to 0, 0, 1, which is transpose form, and D equals to 0. So this is your transfer function. What will be the state space representation of the transfer function, and matrix A is what and matrix C is what? So let us see the solution. Here the transfer function, output divided by input, which equals to s cube plus 3s square plus 2s plus 1 as given here. So simply this is your transfer function, or rewrite it simply cross multiplication. So you will get this value, and then we will take the inverse Laplace transformation, so that from here you will get inverse Laplace transformation, then you will get this equation, which is third order differential equation. Simply this is your s cube format, 3 s square, then 2 and s divided by dt, and 1 is your yt and us is ut. So simply you will take the inverse Laplace transformation, then you will get the differential equation, or rearrange it. This third order term is in left hand side and other terms in right hand side. So ut minus of 3 minus of 2 minus of y. So let the state variable x1 t equals to yt, and x2 t equals to dy by dt, and x3 t is again differentiation of x2, and differentiating the both side with respect to t in 3 equations. So differentiation here, the x1 t dot equals to d by dt of x1 t. So this dot is represented as a differentiation with respect to time. So from here, if we differentiate this term, so differentiation of x1 equals to dy by dt, same as x2, which is equals to x2 as shown here. This is equals to x2. Again differentiate x2, then you will get d square y divided by dt, which is equals to x3 as shown here. Again x3 equals to, next differentiate of this term. Then since the given differential equation is this as from the transfer function, so simply this is your x3t. So this will equals to x3t, which is equals to ut minus thrice d square yt is equals to x3t. So simply x3t from here minus twice of x2 dy by dt, यानी कि x2t, and minus of yt equals to x1t. यहाँ पर आप वैल्यू देख लीजिए. Again equations rewrite here. So from these three linear equations, here x1t, differentiation of x1t have only x2 term. There is no x1 t term, not here, and no x3 term is here. ये भी नहीं है. इसका मतलब x1 में केवल x2 प्रेजेंट है, केवल x2 प्रेजेंट है, x1 0 है एंड x3 भी 0 है. सेम एज इन x2, differentiation of x2. In this differentiation of x2, x3 is present, so only x3 is present, all other terms are equals to 0. Same as in x3t, ut is present, x1 is minus 1, x2 is minus 2, and x3 is your minus 3 plus ut. Ut is here in x3 term. There is no ut in x1 and x2, differentiation of x1 and x2. So the matrix A is this and matrix B is this. Again, you are letting x1t equals to yt. It means so that x1 equals to yt, rewrite it, yt equals to simply x1, and there is 0 of x2 and 0 of x3. So yt is simply here is x1t. So this is your matrix C. Given that the B matrix is the transpose of this, so 0, 0, 1 is the transpose of this. So matrix A is this and matrix C is this. So the correct answer, this is the representation of state space variable format, and yt is this. So matrix A is here and matrix B is this and matrix C is this. So that the option A is correct. So this is the question from GATE 2019. Thank you.